Scorpio, this is your channel messages for the 30th of May. Scorpio, your channel message is the Emperor, the Three of Wands, and the number 3. So I'm getting something about an Aries. The Aries could be born on the 12th, okay? I'm getting somebody birth number adding up to a 3, okay? It could be 12, 21, 30th, okay? Or the number 3. I was also getting the 3 of Wands, which is communication. So I'm getting something about you're sending out the same messages to 3 different people. Either you're awaiting this, I'm not sure, this is like, well, you're the Emperor. So yeah, I'm getting you're sending out messages to 3 different people. Maybe you're seeing which one responds first, or you're sending the same message to 3 different people, and whichever response you feel like is the best response according to the Emperor standards, that's the one you're going with, okay? Yeah, so let's go ahead and go into your reading. Aries, let's get some of your love cards first, okay? I have some more decks. I need to use them all. First card out, we have seduction, attraction, flirting, dating, hooking up, temptation, third party interference. Now the 3 could be third party. Maybe you're not getting the response you want from the person you're trying to contact. So I'm guessing if your first choice doesn't respond, you're going to the second choice, but that's still a 3-way communication. So it seems like you're sending out 3 booty calls, and whichever one responds first, that's the one you're going for. We also have hammer, sabotage, rebuilding, interrogation, repetitive, persistence, working on it. So I don't know, be careful, because I feel like you're going to sabotage yourself. Or you're saying, you didn't respond to me, so I had to go to the other person. I'm getting you're just really, I'm getting you crave attention. You're the Emperor. Apparently you can't stay alone. You always need somebody to show you attention. So if the first girl ain't showing you attention, you're going to the second one or the third one. This could be good morning texts. You send 3 same messages to 3 different women in the mornings, and I'm not sure, maybe this is a TikTok trend that you're trying to show the public, that 3 different women respond to you telling you good morning, okay? Let's pull some of these, because I don't really like this deck, to be honest, but I'm going to use it, all right? I didn't mean it. I did not mean it. First card out, we have the Hangman coming out first. Now in this depiction, the Hangman is upside down, but he has a face in his stomach. All right, so I'm getting something about gluttony, greed. You want a lot of attention, or I'm getting you're scared to be alone. So perhaps you have built your business up being the Emperor, and you're a good business person, but I'm getting the parts of you try to hide is the fact that you feel insignificant if you don't have anybody around you to praise you. We also have the 2 of Wands, yeah. And the 2 of Wands in this depiction is 2 different women looking at 2 aces, which crosses each other. Me getting is it, maybe I get your lines cross, because me getting you talking to 2 different women. I'm not sure if the 3 makes up you, but me getting you talk to 2 different women, and you think she is she, and she is she. Or me getting you're telling what, it's like you're saying to one of the women, you didn't respond to me, but I'm getting that's not the woman you text. Or you're saying, oh, are you still upset with me? But that's the other woman. Me getting you get your lines crossed. I'm not sure where you have these women stored as in your phone. We also have the Knave of Pentacles, yeah. We're getting gluttony, greed. In this depiction, he's almost naked, sitting on a couch. I'm also getting something about androgyny. Okay? We're getting something about in your spare time, you like to dress like a woman, or something like that. I'm getting this all about greed, gluttony, attention seeking. I'm getting you have money, so you believe with money comes all power, and with money comes any amount of women that you deserve. Let's clarify. The Hangman is clarified by the 9 of Swords. Yeah, I'm getting something about you got your, I don't know if you dream or you hallucinate. Cause me getting you can't stand being alone, or me getting you might call one of the girls another girl's name. Me getting it, yeah, get the girl them mixed up. Aries. No, sorry, Scorpio. Scorpio, you're getting two women mixed up with each other. Me getting two different sexual interests. Okay? We are the 5 of Wands, yeah. No, me don't know if you make these two women speak to each other. Because I'm getting two women are supposed to meet each other and the common denominator is supposed to be you. And I'm not sure if these two women supposed to love the Emperor so much that they agree for share you. Or again, you're making these two women fight over you. The Wands. Both of them looking at the Wands. Then we have the 5 of Wands. It's like you're calling one girl and you call another girl and then you make two of them talk to each other. And apparently they're supposed to be like, why you call me? Why you call me? I'm not sure what's happening, Aries, but I'm getting you to stir up some shit. Or if it's not you, I feel like it's you. Never mind. I do feel like it's you. The Knave of Pentacles is clarified by the Chariot. Yeah. Is one of the girls black? Is one of the girls white? Is one black, one Asian? One Indian, one Asian? I'm getting something about the police. Some police officers, or you're the police officer. I don't know what kind of community you're serving and protecting when you can't even keep track of which message you're sending to which girl. Because I'm getting you saying you want it all. Or you want both the black one and the white one. This is the same third party situation, Aries. And your counterpart is supposed to be the Empress. So again, you're totally fucking off when it comes down to where your dick's supposed to be. We have seduction. So anybody who's willing to open them legs to you, that's the person you're willing to go to. Anybody who's closer, who's willing to open them legs faster to you, is the one you're willing to go for. We have Scorpio. Now, Scorpio rules the death card. So I don't know where you're trying to get in before you die, or I don't know if you're sick and you're distracting yourself with sex because you're sick. We have Pluto. No, Pluto rules Scorpio, okay? Yeah, because I'm getting two different women to come to your house. I'm not sure if you want these two women to stumble upon each other, but I'm getting these two. It's like you want these two. I don't know what this is, Aries. I mean, Scorpio. I don't know what this is. We have Aries, yeah, the Emperor. Are you fucking with these two women? Them head, you fuck with them head. Now, I don't know if this is something about twins, because one is in blue, one is in pink. And I'm looking at two different. I don't know if this is something about either twins or sisters, but I'm getting one of them is attracted. Them don't have the same attraction. These are not two people who are joined at the neck or joined at the hip. It's not twins who are conjoined together. I'm getting two different women and them looking on two different ones. So both of them have two different attractions. I'm not sure if both of them, I don't know if you deal with sisters where you like this one and you like this one. Or you tell this woman you name this and you tell the other woman you name this. And both, you have two different identities in both women's head. I'm getting one of the women black, one white. Aries, we have Shark, and we also have mental health. I'm getting you fucking with these women's head. Or again, you're greedy, you're gluttonous. Scorpio, not exactly sure. I'm getting one is a Scorpio, one might be an Aries. I'm getting something about, yeah, get the dreams mixed up, yeah, get the women mixed up, and it's gonna land in a problem. I don't know who's a police officer. It could be that two women, them could have the same name. One in blue, one in pink. I'm getting two of them does two different creative ideas. Maybe I'm getting something about one of them is a police, one isn't. But maybe because them have the same name, yeah, mix them up. I'm getting, mix them up. Because one black, one white. Or that's how them appearance look. I'm going to leave it here, Aries. I'm going to leave it here, Scorpio. So this could be something about your boss. I'm gonna leave it here. Until next time, bye.